Hey everyone, so look at this. I made sure to include all 3 colors when I'm wearing 2. So I got a yellow bodysuit on, and I got the purple, the scrunchy, blue scrunchy, yellow scrunchy. So I want to make sure I wear all the colors. That's just me. Okay, video. So for this video, I just feel like talking a little bit. Quick and easy, but I'm going to just be wearing highlighter, and I guess I'll put contour on. A little bit of contour and a little bit of blush. So let's just do the contour first. Now also I've already put kind of want to do sun-kissed look. I've already put sunscreen on earlier this morning, kind of reapplied it if needed. I put a lot on this morning, but just making sure that was told, because I try to make sure I wear sunscreen. And I've realized too, of course, bring it all the way down to the neck. Highlighter. Also, I've noticed that, you know, my ears be peeling at the top, so I've started putting it on top of my ears as well. So, side note, that's what I've been doing. I think you're supposed to anyways, put it on your ears. I've always forgot. Okay, I've kind of moved you and turned the light up a little bit. Now we're gonna get into the eyes, and I gotta concentrate a little bit because I'm gonna try to be doing some wing liner, some colorful ones, but we'll see how that goes. Go ahead and prime my lids, and I'll show you the makeup palette, especially the eyeshadow palettes that I'm using.
There must be some way out of here. Oh, 'cause I'm feeling so great, and I know I can't escape. I can't keep calling you my dear. Oh, 'cause I'm feeling so great. Never got the time of day.
Tried to make it look like it's connecting. Tried.
There must be some way out of here. Oh, 'cause I'm feeling so
Mascara.
great, and I know I can't escape. I can't keep calling you my dear.
Hey, and there you have it. I did go back and add a little bit of purple on the lids. This liner was kind of giving me a bit of a pain, but I tried. So yeah, it's really cute. The colors came out beautiful. Now I'm going to take pictures and record my next video. Finish up, guys.